Vince Salvatore, Peace Dojo Aikido of Reno. One of the aspects of, in all the classes we do is a one of improvisation. So generally we're teaching a form, and then you learn how to move with it, how to flow with it, and then it becomes improvisational. You're creating in the moment. By the way, one of my hobbies off the mat is long-form improvisation. And in fact, right next to the Peace Dojo is Reno Improv. They do a fantastic job over there teaching people how to be improvisational and how to be an improvisational actor. If you ever have interest in that, you should look them up. They're at renoimprov.com. But anyway, improvisation. In any type of conflict, when you're able to be improvisational, you have a better chance of really listening deeply, understanding the situation and the other person's plight, and hopefully coming out with peaceful resolutions. Thank you.